A KPI, a key performance indicator, is an outcome-based tracking mechanism that defines which results your business as usual is required to accomplish. Your business as usual is everything you need to do to maintain the status quo. Business as usual typically consists of processes that you execute on an ongoing basis. A KPI, therefore, defines what your critical business as usual is, or should be, and enables you to easily monitor if it's successful. A KPI is an important instrument for every results-driven organization. In this video, I'll explain the components that make up a good KPI. To learn more about how to get the most out of KPIs, check out the links in this video description. A KPI consists of the following elements: a metric, a current value, a target or threshold value, and the title. The metric is what makes the KPI measurable. Popular metrics for product and customer success teams, for example, are Net Promoter Score, NPS, and monthly active users. Software as a service companies often look at monthly recurring revenue, MRR, and churn rate. It's important, of course, that you are able to track the metrics that you will be using in your KPIs. The current value and target value require little explanation. The current value is simply the value that your metric has at any given point in time. The target or threshold value is the minimum or maximum value that you want that metric to have. The title should consist of the metric and the target or threshold value, so that right above the title you can display the current value. And that's all the information someone needs to see what the KPI is and if the KPI is healthy or not. Here's an example of how the Perdoo sales team have set up their KPIs in Perdoo. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or if you'd like us to address a particular topic, leave a comment on this video. If you'd like to learn more about our software, click the link below.